Okay, let's do this exercise. This exercise is actually to count words, the number of a word in a text. So for instance, love, let's count it. 1 here, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. But it says here 6. Where? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. It is 6. Great. Now let's create this function. It's not yet there. Maybe even before the function, what we can do actually, let's clean the function. Cleaning the text is the best step to start. Okay. I can do the method I used previously. If you remember, I do this import and use regular expression. And then, of course, I can use just a replace, paragraph dot replace all the dots with nothing. Yeah, this lets me show you it can do this. It can be, what's that? As you can see, there's no full stop anymore, or the punctuation mark. There is no, but how about if we have, like, for instance, a question mark and this and all those kind of symbols? Do you think we can remove them? No, we don't. Or we have to write replace many times to remove different punctuation marks. So instead, we can use a different approach, regular expression, that allow us to remove all the punctuation marks. So as I told you, import regular expression, so powerful package to clean text. Yeah, in data science, machine learning, data analysis, we use this regular expression to pre-process or to clean our data first. Now this text can be considered as our data. Okay, regular expression substitute, and then we can say anything. This is exception. This symbol is exception. Anything is not A to Z, lower or upper, and not a space. That means substitute that with something. But first I have to get the paragraph, and then with nothing. So let's print this. I think I just wrote. Oh, I am just having nothing, and the paragraph should come in here, should come there. As you can see, it's cleaned. How about if I have also a question mark here and some semicolon somewhere else and comma somewhere else? Does it really clean it? Yes. So that means this is very robust. After this, if you provide anything, any chunk of text, it will clean for you. Great. Then I think I can store that with, like, clean the text is a very good word. Yeah, as you can see, this is the clean the text, and then I can change the clean the text to words. Yeah, words, and clean the text dot split, and naturally or by default it split at the space. So now if you say print words, and then you can print them. Oh yeah, but I think it's very good after you clean, just change to lowercase, because if you don't change words to lowercase, you may not count everything. So it's good to change everything to lower. Yeah, now it seems that it's time to count. For instance, I can say, I can start count 0. And if I say, if word. If, for instance, lab, actually, okay. No, I have to look through for word in words, yeah. And then you can say if word is equal to with lab, and then actually I am increasing the count every now and then. I can say, hey, count is equal to count plus 1. And now let's actually print the number of count we got. So the count means now the number of labs that, oh yeah, it's 6. Now we can change this to actually a function, def count words, and it takes some string, any chunk of string, and let's do this. And as I told you, we have to indent our code, and this string should be also here again a string, because now we are actually making this code generic that work for everything. And then I can just change return. As you remember, lab was here, but now I want it to come as in a word, the word we are interested, but there is a conflict here. So I can say maybe target. I have seen someone using target here, one of the students, the target word we are looking for, and you can call it here also. Target. Yeah, and now return what? The count. This is a very good function that allows us to count. Print count words, and I can paragraph. From the paragraph, for instance, I, the word I, how many times does it occur? You can just check it like that. Okay. 0 times for some reason, but I think when we compare also, the target should be changed to lowercase, okay? Everything has been changed to lower, and the input value, this also has to be changed to lower. And now, as you can see, we have 2 I, but it seems too small for me. I have I1 here. Oh yeah, maybe let's check you. How many times we mentioned the word you? Yeah, 4 times. Yeah, so great. So we managed to now, if I ask you, hey, found the most frequent word in this string or something, yeah, then you should also be able to calculate that. I think we did that last week already, so this shouldn't be a surprise for you. And what I would recommend you practice as much as possible, and you will be very familiar with some of the patterns. Let me just take some text and just put it there. I think I can. Why is it not? I can just, for instance, just take all this text together. And of course, our function is not the best function. Now if I have this, for instance, text, and I call it, and I can just say, I can just put it here, as you can see, and print word count words. And if I am interested, I think we've been talking about JavaScript in this code. And if you say text and then JavaScript, how many times can be found over there? It could be quite a lot of times. Well, let's see. What's there? Okay, I think I wrote it. This text. Yeah. So let's run it again. Yeah, so as you can see, 11 times in this text. Okay, great. Thank you so much for watching this lesson and for following up to this time. We have to stop in here.